he just dives down, catches them in the back or
Nobody's safe these days as
or don't, and be ready for an up-close visit.
Think Des Moines' own version of an old Alfred Hitchcock horror film.
Hummingbird in downtown Des Moines. It's picking on.
Walking towards them, they'll stay away. They only attack from behind.
If you wanted to get
But it's happened to me at least 8 times through here, definitely.
Our shoot.
they'll often dive bomb people as they walk nearby.
There was another one. Bang!
Beck says the attacks may feel
office workers in San Francisco.
Office workers, they could be predators to him.
A black bird with red stripes hanging out in the bushes on the north side of the lake.
It happened to Brian Creighton, a visiting airline pilot.
Hey!
And they're all along this creek, just...
Which is
we did what we could, but it looks like they're still attacking people right there. Yeah, it's kind of entertaining. It's
territories too. Has nothing to do with the video game.
That bird was...
Miami Beach residents say angry birds have been on the attack.
Every time we walk past.
Scary, but you'll have to get used to it.
Get them out of their territory.
A known nightmare.
I was walking here last week, and I think it was...
an experience the avid YouTuber is just glad he captured on video.
There it goes again. What the fuck?
The land of the Falcons and the Hawks, but it's a mockingbird that is terrorizing a weaponized staff. The bird is nested.
Or me again.
A territorial red-winged black bird.
on. Ah! God! What?